Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder exhaust system for the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, equipped with a 3.6-liter and the 2.0 turbo engine. This bolt-on axle-back system features a durable 409 stainless steel construction and features a 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipe, then finished off with a polished 3-inch stainless steel tip with the embossed Flowmaster logo. This axle-back exhaust system eliminates that bulky factory muffler and adds more ground clearance for your off-road experience. This Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust system is perfect for the person looking for a modern exterior and interior sound with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster. If you're looking for an increase in power and torque with a powerful performance sound, then this system's for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation. The exhaust system is manufactured right here in the USA and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.